My people would not too clear for EDSOGPADEC. EDSOGPADEC na place we be say una understand say now they fully for this community development we be say na 3 local government for Edo states. Now they put body gidigba. And we there with the permanent secretary. Now go remember say the former board they never constitute the new board now. As the permanent secretary we be say now be the secretary of the commission. Now in tanda gidigba. Not be say tanda to replace chairman or replace anybody or act as chairman. In they say because say now a position now be the highest as civil servant for year. So begin hold the house wait pending on when they begin set up the board. We deal with Mr. If I call him Mr. Naigo, be say okay, pata. Toju Onaiwu will be the permanent secretary for Edo State Oil and Gas Producing Area Development Commission for Benin, EDSOGPADEC. Oga Toju, how far you come there today?
I did find my people now well done.
We say make we ask you since we board not there, how you dey feel? How you dey for this place all this while?
Well, you know, say as every government office be, there's always a structure day in place, get the way things that they're supposed to go. So that thing still day like that. So yes, we need make the board, make a quick consultant, make they come, but as the work they be, work must continue. As they talk and the show must go on. So that's what it just be. Yeah.
You say work must continue. Waiting with the year for town. People say since well board not they say EDSOGPADEC will not they work again. How true be that one?
Well, that one thing not true at all, because the board, even before the tenure expire, they get plenty work when they ground, when they never finish. So now some of those work now we they try finish. Like those police stations when they bought that time during SARS riot, the work safe as they talk to you now is almost finished safe. And I just the furnishing inside now remain. We don't finish the major construction of those rebuilt police station. So that one day. Then for Ologbo safe, you get one better work when they do now. People when they say for that side go no say Ologbo never get license. So the community and the power when they for there, the power company, electricity company when they for Ologbo, don't agree say they go provide light like a step down for the Ologbo community. So but the only thing they need now make government provide transformers and also make they connect all the wires. And which this governor agreed to do. And we they handle the project very soon too. That one go complete so that Ologbo can't get light, not be just get light, they'll get 24-hour light because now through the power station, chairmo power station, I go to supply the light. So that matter days very soon that road that work will complete. Then even the jetty when they there, if I remember I say we first do one jetty that time, you know, but we can't that one for community. Now we can't do another one for the police, specifically for the police own. So you have 2 jetties for that side and so we don't supply them the boat for security. That one they roads plenty when would they see they do, they never finish. We still get many roads when would they do, Binabraka Road is still ongoing, which everybody knows say that one a long project, not be road project when they go do for 1 month. They go do and pass. So the road till they go on like that, they go. They will still get one road when they do for Kohuo side for Via North East. That road still they ongoing now. As me and you they talk so. So there's still there many like that. For even St. Saviour, part of the work when we continue start from St. Saviour, for we see they connect them. We want to say we can't connect St. Saviour, we can't come outside from where the motor guard inside there. So we can't link them join. So that work safe is ongoing as we talk so. But those are some of the big projects of big road projects when we get the one we do for Ajoki area. That work still they go on as we speak. So those are long-term projects. So that one still they go on. That one is still over north side. It still they go on as we talk so. So then a lot of electricity projects in different communities across the 3 local governments of EDSOGPADEC mandate. They are all going with transformer provision, reticulation, everything. They do all those work. They are all continuing as we speak so.
You don't carry me go this electricity matter and you can't make me remember one time like that as we said last year when I don't promise all the people say light they come abudu. How true be that one now?
That's true. The work is ongoing. You know that work, that big work because of the way the problem starts. So that work is ongoing as me and you they talk so. Very soon we'll complete the work. The contractor don't go far for the work. It will soon finish. And that work will now connect all those areas, will connect all of them back to the national grid.
Get one fine question when I go ask you, and this question you go take us back the training one they do last year. When I give them 6 months, bring people together and say, may they do that training. How far they don't go, how they be now? They don't begin they productive for the areas when I train put.
I like that question when you ask, so I like and well because it's a very good one. Because part of EDSOGPADEC mandate now made they train people, call it human capital development. And so when we don't finish that training now, waiting will remain now, we say we won't give them starter pack, when they go start their work. But the governor can't think and well, say the way we want go give them starter pack like that, say enough, he say they educate enough. Make we still subject them to another round of mentorship with some kind of training again. So when we provide them with the starter pack, for where they get their starter pack, they go to work for them. Why people go to mentor them to make sure say they succeed for which they want to. So now that next project, that one I want to do with Edo State Skills Development Agency, because now that one be the government body when they in charge of that. So we'll work with them. We'll come make sure say that as they give you starter pack, you they work the work for where you're supposed to do the work, and people they monitor you to ensure say you make the work profitable. Not be said they'll give you starter pack finish you because I don't know what I go do. No, we don't want that one. So now that's why we say come like say slow small, because everything you need to plan away. Come not say no, the one I don't do before they okay, but I want more I do like this now so that it will be sustainable. So then I big go, that one we say go last where. So very soon that battle will start that one with Edo State Skills Development Agency.
We don't say and I said some light way Edo State government they do. Although this one not too concerned now, but we go bring them in because all of them are security matter. Edo State government don't begin do some street lights. We be say light on day the city not be small, but we can't see some days ago we be say people go to vandalize the cable where they put on this light. For the area when I don't do this light or when they do this light matter, so how not they protect? They use the community they protect when equipments and the work when I do for Grammy people not vandalize them.
You see that this matter of people they go scatter thief government property when everybody's supposed to use not bad thing, not your good at all. But government on you that they try. They engage the community, the vigilantes to help protect. And also that's why they call people, if you see anything, make you talk. If you see people, they do make you talk so that they'll quick arrest them and make them stop to the door. Now, what you go benefit everybody. So not go good. Maybe some people say, now those cable, now those metal, now they won't go active, go they say. It don't make any sense. So now my people are the beg all of them. All of us now decide this matter. Police not many say that police go there everywhere, vigilante go there everywhere. Not possible. If you see anything, talk. If you hear say that they talk, do this one, talk. If somebody carry some kind of thing, can't give you say one cell and you ask them where you for see them. So that made them for stop this bad habit. That's the only appeal if you do. There's so much, very much government can do. Say, government do this, but the people must own say that all of us now benefit from this light. So if for a lot of people made a thief, now all of us too the thing will affect. So I beg my people, make una support government, make we protect all this property.
The last question when I go ask you, make you answer and well for people, may they understand. Rainy season don't reach ground. On a road, owners say they do so. How not they succeed with them?
That is a very good question you ask. You know, for road construction gets some part. The part of concrete work you can still be doing. When you say concrete work, like when you do like gutter. If I got all those things they do, you can still be walking during the rain. Everybody does say cement and water, they be friend. But the part when water they are fed pass, that the part of asphalt and water they not be friend. So we go to do the one where we feel do during the day. When the weather, right now, the rain don't start, but it never really heavy like that. We say go for that one, what they call 7 days rain, 10 days rain, never reach. So those breaks, when would they get in between rainfall, would they do the other? But concrete work and they will continue. Nothing will stop concrete work.
Yeah, we don't talk with Oga Pata will be the permanent secretary, where everybody knows as EDSOGPADEC. He don't took man for so many areas where we say that they work since, even when the board never did, and even when they never set up the board. When I go remember, I said sometime last year around September, now the tenure of the first day as the board, from the chairman to the members of the commission, their tenure elapsed. All this while, it can't be like said the matter, people not they understand again, people not know whether EDSOGPADEC still they work, they get the hit. When the said the commission, the members and the chairman they did that time, they understand again, they know what they happen again. I will come carry work, I say make we go, the commission, make we go speak to somebody who can discover, say the permanent secretary still there as a civil servant, will be the secretary of the board. He can't begin to talk to us, he can't took man for so many areas where we say, since the board, their tenure don't expire, make we use the language of the pidgin English where we understand, say, expiration mid then, they take come up for office. They said they don't work sote, we can't carry waka. Enter Ologbo. He can't put Chukman for Ologbo matter. The way they do the electrification there, where they take collaborate with also more power plant, we go give them 24 hours light. We can see and I say, even EDSOGPADEC via government, the state government, they don't supply over a transformer for the community, for the kingdom of they call them Ologbo Kingdom, where they don't supply 24 hours light for them. We can't go carry waka, you can't took man to all of them. Put man for everywhere, can't talk and say how government don't take put support for that community for light matter. We can't come out there, you're gonna go remember, I said sometime in 2020, NSAS, all those people that they call NSAS, where they begin burn police station and some areas where concern banks and some houses. Government can say, okay, make a EDSOGPADEC, when they put interest, put body for this matter, make them make sure say they reactivate those police stations where they burn, including the area where they even say, where we start up so where they call area command. Now we don't begin work up pushing the permanent secretary can't took man for the matter, can say, then see they work for those areas, even when the commission, the board they never begin come, which the Mr. Governor go set out the board soon, because people don't begin down the worry say, now people they represent the 3 local government wait turn up for the commission, and they are representative, not in the happen for the area again. So the permanent secretary can't took man say, work still they go as soon as I go look this building, so the time where they live them, some things there where they never do, and by now the work still they go on. Every say the commission still they work even without the board members and the chairman, which they also set up. We can't carry waka go Idogbo police station where they're born. It took man for that one. We can't see and say Edo State government don't work for that place. We can't see carry waka go Bekum police station where we say a damn building before. If you see it before, it be like where goat and fowl. They trade. You know when goat and fowl begin play, like I say that they trade. But if you reach there and upstairs, they continue to. When it took man for the matter, I will say, okay, we'll still carry waka into that place, make Edo people see what thing be say, the commission still they do even without the board. Because now waiting the board put for ground, now the commission they follow all this why. Even the permanent secretary took man for those to say, now some work will be say the commission put for ground. I just say they are 10 or and last for inside the matter and make them not finish those jobs, which still ongoing. We turned up for this place today, we don't talk with Oga Patakpata will be the permanent secretary, whether they call Toju Onaiwu. The man took man for everywhere. That so many things still there because the 2 local government will enter so now Ikpo will be double direction and Ologbo will be same Ikpo. Now we go carry waka go Oriomo. By next 2 weeks, we'll carry waka go of via notice. This one is 3 local government. It took man for some areas of via notice. When it be say EDSOGPADEC and state government, they still they work. My name still remain Ege Nusa TMC TV.